I told you.
Yes.
This is scary.
Yeah,
Hanky?
I am. I probably caught it on video. I'm still recording since I ran out there.
Okay.